Hello my friend, my name is Galate and welcome to another junk journal with me. Today I'm gonna do another Margarete Miller challenge and this one for week 35. I was really excited to make this because I really wanted to make something fun and fast, and Margarete Miller's challenges always makes me happy and they are so easy to make. So yeah, let's start. As you see, this junk journal is already full to the rim. It's so chunky and nothing can fit anymore. I love this journal. It was with me for a long time and I really loved using it, but now it's full and even the spine broke, but that's okay. So I guess this will be my last junk journaling on this journal, even though there are lots of pages here that are still empty, but that's okay. I'm starting with trying to figure out where I want my collage to be. And I just use some clips to make my life easier a bit as I collage. And I chose these pages because they are both colorful and empty and I can do whatever I want in here. So I am just starting with gathering all the elements that I want to use and how I want to use them. And the first thing I chose is sticky note for something found in an office. And the second thing I'm using is a brown paper or paper bag piece, and I'm choosing both of them because I have them both. I have this cute little booklet with the brown papers, and I also have one handle in my scrap pile, and this is from a paper bag. And the next one is a game piece or a puzzle piece, and I have this game piece of a children's game, memory game, and this is a lamp, and it also written in Hebrew lamp. And this fits for the bonus as well, which says bonus light, whatever that means to you. And the second one I have is a barcode, and this one is from the hospital. And the last thing is something that is alive, and that is a flower that I pressed. The very first thing I'm doing is just combining these pages together. I'm adding the little cute handle. This is so cute. I'm using double-sided tape for this, and at the end I stapled it, I think, because the double-sided tape didn't hold as much as I wished. So I just stapled them inside a pocket. This is my box full of scraps, medium scraps I guess, and I'm just looking for something to start the collage, and I'm just pulling out all different kind of scraps that I want to use. I have this picture, Aloha sent it to me in her swap mail with me, and I just love it. So yeah, I'm just quickly starting to collage. Sorry for gluing with my finger. I'm just spreading all the glue because I'm usually making a huge mess with glue. I'm using different kind of scraps that I pulled out. And now I'm just adding the image, and before that I'm just trying to think of more elements to use, and this one also was sent to me by Aloha. These beautiful flowers and this beautiful journaling card. And now I'm using the barcode. I decided to put some washi tape just to have a bit color at the side there. And I decided to put the post-it at the top, just so I will have something to journal on. And now I'm just grabbing some stickers, label stickers, and just trying to figure out what to use. Just a bit for more color at the top there, so it won't be so empty. I decided to add something at the top even more, but for now I just grabbed my crocodile, punched a hole, and this hole was very, very small, so I punched again to make it a bit bigger. And now it's time to just glue the image. On next Saturday I have an exciting video that was requested, and I hope you will enjoy watching it as well. I really want to use this pocket with the butterflies and just put some of the journaling cards that Aloha sent me, and I decided on this one and I glue it on top of that pocket. I really want to add a bit more color, so I grabbed another sticker label that I had and I just added that at the top of that pocket, and I glued the memory game part at the top, but I really wanted to use some thread as well. And I'm using this yellow because of the lamp and the light. I'm just tying it up and just making a little bow. Now here I made tons and tons and tons of mistakes. I'm using this beautiful flower that I pressed. I stupidly put double-sided tape, and then I realized that I can't remove that double-sided tape. And then I used glue on top of that flower, and I ripped that petal. But that's okay. I used washi tape just to keep that flower secure. I grabbed my stickers, and I really wanted to use a butterfly or something that is sitting on top of that petal, and I went with that. Yeah, yeah, it's not a perfect, but it's okay. Everybody makes mistakes, and that's okay. I am taking a little sticker with flowers, and I just stick it over there. I use another sticker label that I had. I added a bit more washi tape at the bottom and on the side again. And yep, this pretty much is done. I'm just adding the hashtag of CW Planner 35. And I'm putting a Margarete's Miller challenge at the inside the pocket. At first I thought of putting it behind that journaling card, but at the end I put it inside that pocket. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye! Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos.